Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruth Nanda, aka Lo. What's good? What's poppin'? How you doing, sis? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. We take care of our natural hair on a budget and we save our coins, sis, over here. So if you're interested, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join Lo Gang, because we always want new members of Lo Gang. So make sure you hit the subscribe button down below if you're interested in videos like that, as well as some other little things on fashion and whatnot. So yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button, sis, because you don't want to miss out, okay? And make sure you hit the notification bell so you get alerted every time I upload, okay? And if you are a returner, what's good, sis? How you doing? Thanks for shopping Truth to see your sis, okay? So we're going to be trying another black-owned hair company, and it's owned by a black female as well. So like I said, I'm gonna bring y'all some real strong black women businesses, or black businesses all the way together on this channel. So if you guys are still interested, make sure you keep company we're gonna be using is it's pronounced Doux. The Doux. Okay, so these are what some of their products are. These are the products that we're gonna be using today. So some of the products we're gonna be trying out today is Mousse Def, the texture foam. This is what it looks like. And the One Love Co-Wash, wash day in a jar. And we're gonna be using cream, a twist and curl cream. These are what these products look like. So we will be starting off with the co-wash. So we will be trying this product. So it cleanses, conditions in one step, eliminates wash day tangles with amazing slip, rinse soft and shiny, no waxy buildup. So y'all, we're trying these 2-in-1 situations. I am appreciating it. This is everything right now, okay? So let's get into co-washing this hair, y'all. All right, guys, so I've already went ahead and wet my hair down in my 4 sections. Tip, if you have thick hair, working in sections is so much easier, okay? So I already have my 4 sections already ready and prepared. So and I also got my water bottle just in case I need more water from like the last product we seen. We need more water, so we're gonna try to see if this product needs that or not. But this is One Love Co-Wash is what we're gonna be using today, and this is a detangle, cleanse, conditioner in one step, super slick conditioning cleanser, wash day in a jar, no poo, pre-poo, and deep condition. It just tells you to apply on wet hair from the scalp to the ends, rinse, and you can also apply on your dry hair as a pre-poo if you want. And if you want it to be a deep conditioner, you can also leave it on for 15 minutes so it can deep condition your hair. Well, let's take a look at this product. It's a runny pink consistency. It smells like Pepto-Bismol, y'all, I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna pray that it actually works on my hair. So it's really runny. I don't want to pour it out, but we're gonna just work on this section, which is closer to the camera so you guys can see. This is what my hair looks like. My hair was from last week's style. If you did not watch it, definitely, I'm going to link it above from Unique Curls. So yeah, let's get into this. So apply. I'm gonna apply about that much, and we're gonna apply from roots. Roots to the ends. Okay, so I think I need more water on my hair. I'm not gonna lie. So I got my water bottle. I'm gonna spray some water. Okay, so it has like a little slip, little foam to it. I think my hair needs to be soaking wet in the shower, like soaking wet. Like literally my whole head is under the water, and I applied this for it to come up and set up, but it really is, yeah, it's soft, makes my hair feel real soft. So I'm gonna add some more water to see if I can get it to set up. I feel like it would set up if it was extra water on my hair, but this is what my hair is looking like. Definitely you can see the definition coming through on my hair already. So yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I don't feel the smell, but I'm definitely feeling the product of itself. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and wash the rest of my hair and keep this on for about 15 minutes because I wanna use it as a deep conditioner, and come back so you guys can see how my hair looks. And make sure you guys are subscribed down below because you know you wanna see the finished results. You know you do, you really do. So make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and let go. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like with no product, no nothing. And I can say my hair doesn't look crazy. Like, it doesn't look too crazy. Like, I still got some curl definition places. Like, I'm happy. I'm happy. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and section my hair, and when I get back, we're gonna get into styling this fro. So keep watching. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe down below so you can see the results, because you know you want to, okay? I'll be right back. So we're just gonna go ahead and try this product on this side, and we're going to be doing twist outs. We're gonna do twist outs on the hair today. So we're gonna be using foam. This is the first time ever using foam for a twist out, and then we're going to be doing a twist out with the cream on this side. So this side we're gonna do, and this side we're going to do the cream. So the cream is a twist and curl cream for curl and define perfect twist out. And then it is apply on clean, wet, or dry hair, and twist and coil or shingle. Allow hair to dry completely before separating curls. So we're gonna be using the foam, and then we're gonna use this for trying purposes. We're gonna take one at a time. So let's start with the foam. Okay, so my hair is damp, and I do have my water bottle just to spray some more water just in case. I usually section my sections, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so we're gonna use the foam. I'm gonna just pump a little bit on my hair and just put it on here. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna take this section and do into 2 twists. Ooh child, I do not know what to expect, honey. I've never twisted my hair with foam before, so this is gonna be a first for everything. I like to make sure my ends are detangled, so I detangle them. Then I do this side the same way. Okay guys, so this is my 2 strands of twist right here. I'm not putting any oil on it because remember I did say it did say do not apply any oil before applying this product, so I'm not putting any oil on it. I only will apply oil after the fact. When I have to unravel them, I'll apply oil, but I'm just gonna go through and twist out the rest of the hair, and I'll be back showing you guys how I twist out with the cream. So make sure you keep watching, okay? Okay guys, so this is my hair finished results. So this side is the foam, this side is the cream. So I'm gonna show you guys the back. So we're going to let this hair dry, and then we're gonna check back in maybe tomorrow or later on tonight just to see how this hair turns out. But most likely it might be tomorrow because sis, it's already 2 something and I got errands to run and food to cook. So yeah, this is probably gonna come out tomorrow, but I just want you guys to see how it looks wet. I don't know if I really see a difference. Well, I do. This is a little bit more fluffier than this one, so that's what I can see. So far so good as far as the difference, and I will really see the difference when I take it all out and it dries. So before then, I'm going to be trimming dusting my ends, and I want to show you guys how I do that with my twists in my hair. Wet, simple, easy, without having to take all your hair out and do a real trim. So this is just dusting your ends. So pretty much I'll just take my hair, look at it. I'm gonna try to get as close as possible. I don't know if you guys see. So look at the ends. You can see how it looks. I would really trim like right there. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put a little thing on the screen and show you where I will actually trim. So I'm gonna do this just to get off all that hair that's not curled, and then it will look like that. And then I just go through and pretty much dust my ends that way, making sure I check. Sometimes I won't need to trim. Like for example, this one I really don't need to trim because it's really curly at the ends and it seems healthy. So I will not trim, but if you really want to, you can trim like right here. I'll show you where you can trim. If you want to, you could trim like right there and get rid of that if you want to. But for me, I'm not going to do that. I'm just really dusting, not a full-blown trim, just going through the hair, seeing what needs to be trimmed. Okay, so I just showed you guys how I dust my ends, so I'm gonna do that to my whole head, pretty much let my hair dry and come back and show you guys the final results and give you guys my final thoughts. So if you want to see the results, hit the subscribe button, y'all. I know y'all want to see the results, so hit the subscribe button to join the Low gang, because we do videos like this every week. So make sure you are tuned in, sis, okay? So let's get to the drying and I'll be back with the results. Bye. Yeah, guys, so this is my final thoughts on the Doux products and how it worked on my hair. So as you guys remember, I did this side with the cream, I did this side with the foam. Great definition for both. I'm really shocked I'm not even shocked actually. I got a really good definition on the cream side without even adding any extra gel or anything like that. And I got a lot of definition with the foam, and with this being the first time I've ever used foam for a twist out, I'm happy with the definition. So I'm gonna just give y'all a little close up. So this side is the cream, and this side is the foam. Like everything, it looks so good, like ridiculously good. I'm gonna show you guys the back. So yeah, guys, everything with these products are everything. Like I've always watched some of her videos on Instagram and I was like, oh my God, these products look so simple to apply, so easy to use, and hella hydrating. So I'm very satisfied with that. So yeah, the packaging is great. Love the packaging, love the way she burns her products, period. The smells, as far as the smells go, it's not all of that. It really isn't all of that, but the product actually does great. So you can kind of bypass the smell because the products are so good. Like I told you guys before, I think it's the co-wash smelled like Pepto-Bismol. The curling cream was okay. The foam really didn't have a smell, but the products worked out so good. Like I can bypass the smell for real, like no problem. The price point is really good for the product because the product is really good. So the prices actually even out, you know, because there's people that have high expensive products and the product's not all that good, sis. So yeah, for the price point, it's all that good for me. And I can get it at Target. You know, Target is my store, and you know you can get them sales because I got me a good $5 coupon from Target from buying all these products. Okay, and the hair speaks for itself. Okay, so let's get into it one more time, girl. Curls with the cream, curls with the foam. Everything, okay? Everything. The only thing I wish that the co-wash wasn't actually in a pump, because it would be so much easier to manage in the shower, because it's tough to manage it in the shower, scooping it out and water accidentally getting into it and activating it and turn to foam. It's a bit much. So I prefer her to put that in a pump or maybe come out with a pump option. But otherwise than that, like the products are great, sis. The products are great. So I am not mad at it whatsoever. Definitely will reuse these products again. Give them a thumbs up from me for sure. If you guys are interested in checking out any more of her products, definitely go to Target, or go to her website. I will put all that stuff in the description box down below if you're interested in purchasing any of her products and seeing what I actually picked up myself. So yeah, so just let me know if you guys are interested in me using these products for a full head, either a twist out, wash and go, either or. I'm interested in trying, or even a braid out, whatever you guys like, or flat twist, whatever. Just let me know down below, because you know this channel is for you, sis. All for you, okay? Showing you all this goodness and showing you how to do your hair. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know down below, and let me know what you think about the Doux products. Have you ever tried it? Have you ever seen it coming through the Target, or you seen them at Walmart? Because Walmart do have them as well, okay? They don't have as many selections as Target do, but Walmart do have it, okay? So yeah, let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on this product, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you're interested in products like this. Well, my products, excuse me, videos like this, and me bringing you guys some more products to the channel so you guys can see how they work on my hair and maybe want to pick them up yourself. So yeah, and hit the notification bell if you want to see every time I upload on my channel. Yeah, I think that's about it. I've been rambling a lot. So until next time, guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.